Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 2 of 10, Clamping Plate. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name Clamping Plate. Store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder. Say OK. Now create a sketch. Select XY plane. Select a rectangle. Select from center method. Enter the width as 32 mm and height as 32 mm. Angle of rotation 0. Decrease the dimension text height. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Extrude to a distance of 7 mm and say OK. Hide the sketch. Select countersunk hole. Enter the hole diameter 6.4. Countersunk diameter 12.6. Countersunk angle 90°. To specify the points, select the sketch. Select the space of the clamping plate and specify the origin point to the origin of datum coordinate system. Say OK. Open the point dialog box. Enter the value minus 8 mm in the y-axis and say OK. Close the sketch point. Finish the sketch. Normal to face. Enter the depth limit through body. Subtract in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Select mirror feature. Select the countersunk hole. Select the mirror plane, existing XZ plane. Say OK. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes Chapter 9, Exercise 4, Part 2 of 10, Clamping Plate.